How to gift someone Robux on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Start menu and search for Roblox player. Then simply click on Open. Here log in with your account details and on your home page at the top you will see Create option. Simply click on it. Now in this prompt you simply can see Create New Experience option. Choose the game and click on the settings icon at the right. Then from the menu Create Game Pass, choose the file for your Game Pass, provide name and as well as description at the bottom. Then once you have provided all the details, click on Preview. Now after all this step you need to verify your upload. So simply click on Verify and as you can see the Game Pass has been created. Once created, go to Setting, click on Configure. Now you can set the price of the Game Pass and click on Save. After that you're good to go. Once the Game Pass has been created, you can send this to anyone on Roblox. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.